we asked the 999 call handler what training is required, and do you have to do refresher training?
So my training lasted for 3 weeks in the classroom, so just like learning about different medical conditions and doing practice calls on the MPDS and ProQA systems. And then I was mentored for 3 weeks as well, so where someone was listening to me taking calls and correcting me if they needed to. But I found it, I think, because 6 weeks, when you think about it, it's not actually that long of a period of time, but I think I was almost glad that it went, because within 3 weeks of working here I was already taking the 999 course, which I think was a really good thing, because it meant that I was sort of not putting it off, and I was like putting myself out there, and it allowed me to sort of be more confident because I didn't worry too much beforehand. So yeah, we have reflective practices, which is basically where obviously people listen into our calls and make sure that we're doing it correctly, and if needed, you can get pulled into a room where they basically talk you through your call, and if you've made a mistake they correct you. So we have those, and then if you need any additional support on top of that, like if you feel that you need to be retrained in one area, then you can go to certain people who will help you do that, and then we've got different ESOPs that we can look through, so if we ever just need to like touch up on information, then we can read through those and just like get refreshed again.